Did you know that binoculars are actually two small telescopes, one for each eye? Matter of fact, I'm reading this script with these binoculars right now. Here are some things to know about those little eyeball telescopes before buying a pair for yourself or as a gift for someone else. On every pair of binoculars, you will find two numbers separated by an X, like 8 by 25 or 10 by 42. So what do these numbers mean? The first number refers to the power or magnification. For example, if that number is 10, your image will appear 10 times larger than if you were looking at it with the naked eye. The second number is the aperture and is measured in millimeters. The aperture affects how much light can enter the lenses. The bigger the number, the brighter your image, and the better your binoculars perform in low light. So is bigger always better? Don't we all want the most power and the best light? It depends on how you plan on using your binoculars. More magnification does bring your subject in closer, but it also narrows your field of view. If you want to use your binoculars for viewing sports or bird watching, you'll want a wider field of view, which allows you to find and track your subjects more easily. For these activities, we recommend a power of 8 to 10. Also, with higher power binoculars, stabilization becomes necessary. They will need to be mounted on a tripod, otherwise you'll see a very shaky image. For practical handheld use, we recommend binoculars with a magnification of 12 or below. And when it comes to aperture, you do want to let in as much light as possible, but it comes at a cost, and more than just money. The wider the aperture, the larger and heavier the binoculars. Now that's fine as long as you don't mind the weight and using a tripod. An aperture of anything in the 20 to 50 millimeter range is great for handheld use. Would you like to check out our binoculars at Horn Photo? Come on in and see our experts. Got the picture?